pala. Yeah. Kung may customer ang check-out.
Gawin.
Kaya dyan?
Ha?
Kaya dyan? Oh, ang dami palang restaurant dito, oh. Ayan, oh. Ang dito, ang building na yan. Nice. Oh, ang ganda rin dito. Ang view. Wow! Talagang si Sir ko. Thank you! Ang ganda ng bed natin. Tapos open mo yung... with the view.
Yung luwang pala.
Kailan nga daw? In-upgrade daw.
Ni boss mo.
In-upgrade daw ni Sir yung room. Wow! We're here. So nice!
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. We have also bathtub here. Oh, so nice. Halika dito. Dito na kami. Yan. Ganda ng bed. Tapos, may mini fridge din kami dito. Yan. We can bring all this. Yeah, we have wine glass. May dala din akong sa ilalim. Wow! So nice. Yeah, may fridge sila.
So, 7,000. Deluxe room, 7,000.
Deluxe room tayo.
Okay.
Wow. Our room is deluxe room and in-upgrade pa daw nila upon request ni boss. So, yun daw ang ganda. Tapos, ayan. Wow! Ang laki ng closet. Hindi yung mga gamit namin. Ayan, may pillow. Wow. And this is our toilet. This is so nice. Okay. Shower. Nice. Another bathrobe. Nice. So nice. Yay! Enjoy. Thank you, sir. Video. Honeymoon daw.